English is a new shade of life.
How to achieve flow when learning English.
Hi everyone, my name is Aisha, and today we're talking about something powerful. How to get into the flow when learning English. Have you ever felt so focused that you completely forgot about time? Maybe you were watching your favorite show, playing a game, or writing something creative. That beautiful state of full focus and pure enjoyment is called flow. Flow is a mental state where you're fully involved in what you do. You feel challenged but not stressed, relaxed but never bored. Everything feels natural and effortless, and time just disappears. The psychologist Mihaly said, "Flow is one of life's best experiences." So, how can we reach flow when learning English? Let's find out together. Find the right challenge. Flow lies between boredom and stress. If something is too easy, you'll get bored. If it's too hard, you'll feel frustrated. So choose material that stretches your skills but doesn't overwhelm you. That's where the magic happens. Set clear goals. Before you start studying, ask yourself, what do I want to achieve today? Maybe you want to learn 10 new words. Maybe you want to understand one short video or speak for 5 minutes non-stop. Clear goals give your mind direction and help you stay focused longer. Remove distractions. Flow disappears when your attention breaks. So, turn off notifications, close extra tabs, find a calm space to focus. Protect your attention like it's gold. It's your doorway to flow. Learn actively. Don't just listen. Interact. Repeat what you hear. Speak aloud. Write new words in your notebook. Try to explain what you learned to someone else. The more senses you use, the deeper your learning becomes. Enjoy the process. Flow grows when you enjoy learning. So make English fun. Watch series you love. Sing songs in English. Play word games or talk with friends. When learning feels like play, you learn faster without noticing it. Reflect after you learn. When you finish, take a short pause. Ask yourself 3 questions. What did I learn today? What was easy or difficult? When did I feel most focused Reflection helps you understand yourself and reach flow faster next time. Final thoughts. Flow isn't about working harder. It's about being fully present. When you enjoy the process, English learning becomes natural and fun. So next time you study, don't force it. Flow with it. And remember, every word you learn, every sentence you understand, every moment you spend in English brings you closer to confidence, to freedom, and to your true voice. So keep learning, keep smiling, and keep flowing. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning English too. This is Aisha, and I'll see you in the next episode.